Welcome back to Autoscope. The comfort, innovation, and sustainability of travel in the future. BYD Motorhome 2026. External design, modern and aerodynamic. Compared to traditional RVs, the design will be more aerodynamic to reduce wind resistance and boost fuel and electrical efficiency. Full LED lighting. The front and back lights will both be equipped with full LED technology. Panoramic windows, large windows and possibly some panoramic windows will be built to maximize the amount of natural light that enters the room. Broad access door. The entrance design will have a broad access door, maybe paired with an automated electric stairway. Large external storage. There will be external storage areas that are well integrated. Sustainable and high-end materials in interior design and layout. The interior design will prioritize sustainability while maintaining a luxurious, long-lasting vibe. A refrigerator and freezer, a small microwave and oven, an induction cooktop, a huge sink, and a foldable extension table are among the kitchen's amenities. Permanent bed. If the arrangement allows, a queen or king-size bed with an excellent mattress will be provided. Comfortable couch that doubles as a bed. A dining table that can be folded up and used for both eating and working. Smart storage. Make use of top cabinets, under-seat drawers, and hidden spaces to maximize storage. Smart home integration. Control the temperature, lighting, entertainment, water system, and even battery life from a single touchscreen. Dual powertrain PHEV. It is likely that BYD will mandate the use of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles PHEVs. This will make it possible to travel totally on electricity for short distances or in cities, as well as to have more charging options and a longer range on both gasoline and electric power. Advanced blade battery technology, which is known for being safe, durable, and space-efficient, will be used by BYD. Complete digital cockpit. BYD's well-known large infotainment touchscreen featuring a customizable digital instrument display. Fast charging. Enables speedy DC fast charging.